What's up guys, I'm back again with some good news and some bad news regarding new upcoming iPhones, the iPhone 15 lineup. So let's start with the good news first. iPhone 15 lineup launch is just 2 months ahead from now, and it's getting really excited to see what these beasts are gonna do, and with this A17 chipset inside them. Even if we go back in time, the processors from Apple like A14, A15 and A16 are still like crazy performing chipsets and still doesn't have any comparison as compared to other well-known chipset manufacturers like Qualcomm and Exynos. And now even ahead of that, Apple being unstoppable and will be launching their new iPhone 15 lineup with a 17 Bionic chip, which is absolutely insane. I wonder what this thing is gonna do. Well, second great news is that this year's iPhone models will have dynamic island in all of them. Yes, even the base model and the Plus one. Last year we just saw that thing in Pro and Pro Max variants, but this year Apple just took the game to some next level by providing their unique dynamic island to all variants. So now you can enjoy this thing even in the base iPhone 15 model, which is really cool. Other than that, this iPhone 15 series will have larger batteries, of course, but this time it's getting really closer to 5000 milliamps of mark. As we all know that there has never been an iPhone with 5000 milliamps of battery. So as per sources, the iPhone 15, the base model will have 3877 milliamps of battery. iPhone 15 Plus will have 4912, while the Pro one will have 3650 milliamps, and the top of the range, the iPhone 15 Pro Max will be equipped with 4825 milliamps of battery. If we compare the iPhone 15 Pro Max battery to last year's 14 Pro Max, then there was 4323 milliamps, which clearly is a huge difference now. Well, that was some good news. Now let's move towards the bad news. So Apple is gonna get short on displays for their iPhone 15 series. Yes, you heard me right. This thing happened last year as well, but was taken care of when LG ran short on displays, and then Samsung came over to take orders for iPhone displays, but with little higher cost. Now LG has been testing the new displays for iPhone 15 series and been failing in testing to some critical tests, which is gonna limit the supply of displays to Apple and hence less production of iPhones, which can delay to some certain time period. So we'll see what Apple's gonna do about this thing. Will they again call out for Samsung for displays or what else? That's all for today. So let me know your thoughts on this and subscribe to stay connected.